This week, the SBA has started to send out the emails so you can request an increase for your EIDL loan and get up to $500,000 as an EIDL loan. In this video, we're going to show you step by step how to request and apply for this EIDL increase, because we know that some people are having issues in requesting this increase. Okay, so that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Okay, now we are Freedom Tax Accounting. We're an accounting firm where we have been providing quality tax and accounting services for over 20 years. Today is April 10th. It is a Saturday, and yes, we are working Saturday because we are working hard, because next Thursday, April 15th, is the corporate tax deadline. So we are working hard to help our corporate clients get their corporate taxes done on time. Okay, now we always emphasize the date on the recording on any video relating to PPP and EIDL, because these programs have been constantly changing. So there may be things we discuss in this video that can change as soon as tomorrow. So that's the importance of subscribing to our channel. That way you're always up to date with the most current and correct information relating to these SBA loans. Okay, so what happened at the beginning of this week? At the beginning of this week, the SBA started to send out this email. Okay, basically telling you, the business that has already received an EIDL loan, that now you are able to request an increase on your EIDL loan. And they give you specific instructions on how to do that. But based on comments and people we have talked to this week, people are having issues sending this email. So we decided to do this video where we show you step by step on how to do it. And we feel we have come up with a solution to the most common problems. Okay, so basically, if you receive this email, it's because your business, or as a self-employed, already got an EIDL loan in 2020. And now the SBA is giving you a chance to request an increase. And the first step on doing that is that you have to send an email. Okay, and this is the email address that you need to send the email to. Okay, let me show you what you need to do. Okay, so basically, the first step is to send an email to this email address that I have here, okay, which is the same email address that's on the email that you get from the SBA. Now, one common mistake people are doing is that when they get this email, they click reply and they send an email, and then they're getting an error back. You don't reply to this email. You take this email, and this is where you send the email to. Now, for some reason, for some people, if they copy paste this, if they try to copy paste this email and send a new email, for some reason, that's also not working for some people. So basically, we recommend that you type this email address on your email software. Okay, so you can copy paste. If it doesn't work, then type it. Okay, so you type this email. This is the email address you're going to send the email to. And then on the subject line, this is what you need to have on the subject line. It needs to say EIDL increase request for, and then you insert your 10-digit EIDL application number. So where do you find that? You have to go to your EIDL loan documents. This is the first page of your EIDL loan agreement that you signed to get the loan. Okay, on the top right of the agreement, you're going to see application number, and there's a 10-digit number right here on the top right. This is your application number. So basically, on the subject line, you basically put here your 10-digit application number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is what you put on the subject line. Okay, and then what do you write on the email? On the email, this is the email content. You basically write, we would like to request an increase of our EIDL loan. And here you put your EIDL application number. And on the bottom, you put your SBA loan number. Now, where do you get these numbers from? Once again, you go to your EIDL loan agreement. On the top left, right here, you're going to see your SBA loan number. On the right is your application number. On the left is your loan number. So those are the two numbers you need to do this email. So once again, the email you just write, we would like to request an increase of our EIDL loan. Then you put loan application number, put your loan application number, SBA loan number, put your loan number. Then you put business name, write your business name, business address, write your business address. Then you put the business owner name, put your owner name. Once again, and also, if you're self-employed, your business name is your name. So you don't have a registered LLC or a corporation and you're self-employed, the business name is your name. Then you write phone number and you write your phone number here. Then thank you in advance for your service and then just sign your name. Okay. Just to help you out, I am going to put this in the description on this video. So you basically just have to copy paste and fill it out with your information. All right. So if you follow these instructions, you should be good to go. Now, if you have not received this email from the SBA, the most common question we get here is, can I still send out the application, the request email? The answer is, we don't know. Okay. Now, it doesn't hurt to just send it out, but we still don't know if you need to receive this email in order for you to send out this email to the SBA. But you already know the email address you need to send it to. And remember, this is only for you who already got the EIDL loan in 2020 or early 2021, and now you want to request an increase. Okay. So basically, that's what we wanted to show you. Remember that we are offering consultations on PPP, EIDL, Employee Retention Credit. This is our contact information, especially all of you that already got the EIDL loan. Remember that this loan has very strict rules on how you can use it. So we really recommend that you call and set up a consultation so we can guide you on your specific business how you can use the EIDL funds. Okay, so basically that's what we wanted to show you. Thank you for watching this video. Like and share it with other business owners so that they can take advantage of this information. Remember that we are praying for you, praying for your business, praying for your family, and let's get through this coronavirus pandemic together. All right, have a great day and God bless you. Bye-bye.